Morning, y'all. Can you hear me, guys? Is there audio? How's it going, guys? Everybody all right? Testing, testing, testing. Can you hear me, guys? All right, cool. What's going on, guys? What's happening? What's new? What are you guys watching? So for me, I've posted the watch list in Discord, but the gappers, PALT, this this can be fun. So we'll watch this today. It's bringing in more momentum, to be honest, and I feel like that 11 is really struggling there, and if it does starts to break that, I think this might have another thing coming. Um, I really thought 11's rejection will reverse a little bit, at least to 1050s, but the fact that it's holding up right close to 11's, it seems like it wants to break it. So do not ignore the fact that this thing doesn't matter what the catalyst behind it is quite strong. So we cannot fight the trend. We cannot fight this wave. So let it play out. Wait for really decent setups on these. Try to not jump in the front side of the moves if you are gonna ever short it. So plus PLT could be extremely expensive as well for the borrows, so very difficult to short. So maybe there might be some long opportunities on it as well. Blin, Gapper, just don't like the price action. It seems like it wants to fade off and fill the gap, which means even if it does that completely, there's not much of a really room unless you go in with big size. I just don't think the range is enough for me to be wasting my time on 50 cents move, maybe even less than 50 cents. So the potential for massive moves on this one might not be there, but it feels like a gap and crap kind of play. BTBT, I have this massive gap down from 8s to, well, it looks like massive, but $2 gap almost. So this might produce something, but I really doubt it. I'm just keeping it on the side just to keep an eye on it. That's pretty much it. Anybody else watching anything? Space was in the Space 24s. I thought this was gapping up. Yeah, it was gapping up, right? It's gapping up, but it's giving most of it is yeah, at the moment it doesn't look good, but that post-market gap up, probably some sort of a reason behind it, some news based, I guess. Okay, so it's a good news for them, slightly good news. So this could have a little bit of a continuation. We'll watch this. SPY we will watch. Sorry, space. We'll keep an eye on it on the side. Yeah, I just can't be really biased on space because space is, by the way, very difficult to trade intraday. It can be a hectic stock to trade, but once it starts to show up some really decent move, then I'll be interested. Otherwise, I'll just leave it alone. If this news continues, then space could bring in quite a few moves after that. So it could be the bounce that we're expecting on space. Usually when the bounces come, it just usually reversals are like V reversals and things like that. Takes its time when it does reverse as well. So don't worry. I think we managed. Even if we do wait, we will manage the main cash the main move if it comes to it. So yeah, I'm not planning to short it because it's already beaten down quite a lot, to be honest. And if it starts to show strength, maybe even look to long it. That's pretty much it with space. So today, I believe, is Thursday. So hopefully, it's gonna continue to produce something. My usually Thursdays are quite good, but that's just I don't know the way I trade, or it's probably luck. I don't know. But we're talking about lots and lots of Thursdays. So, um, but still, I'll be careful, guys. Just because Thursdays are good doesn't mean I'm gonna, start loading up. It's gonna be the same sort of risk management, same plan going in. Wait for the right setups. Do not chase things. Um, if you can on these movers, PALT, um, these DATS, CEI. Just try to not get in early. Try to not anticipate the moves. Let it go. As I talked about Palt earlier, you see it wanted to reject from 11s, but it didn't. It just kept hovering around. So it's showing clear strength, um, and you can't ignore that fact. So if you're gonna be shorting this, just wait for the backside properly. And we're talking about when the backside happens, you should know. You should really know. Like, I mean, that, that would have really sort of tricked me for the backside, but backside has to be confirmed with something. Let's say, for example, this hump, right? 10 needs to be taken out. So in this case, it doesn't get taken out. Well, it does. That's kind of like a sign for the backside, but it just keeps going, just keeps going, right? And then later down in the PM, this is the main move that happened after all this move, which is quite significant compared to the others. That's when you can be a little bit careful, saying, well, this could be the backside. So, just be careful out there, guys. These PALT can hurt really bad if you do not manage the risk well. Again, coming back to the managing risk, please make sure you understand your risk before you enter a trade, and make sure you're calculated it way before even thinking about a trade. Morning, Jay. How's it going, mate? What are you watching? Big names. If it's big names, Jay, you know, if you do have some decent stocks that you're watching, um, post it in the Discord, please, if you can, so that we can, before the market opens, we can have a look at it. And on the watch list section, yeah, if you're hearing me. And then that's pretty much it, guys. Let me grab a coffee. I think I need it. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. What's happening? Lucid is washing, by the way, guys. Lucid, LCID. Um, just looks. I don't really mind shorting or longing this. For me to long this, it has to be breaking that 28. It's been rejecting from there quite a few times, so um, I think shorting will be ideal. In my opinion, I'm more short biased on Lucid at the moment. So we shall see. Now it's gone. Right, let's have a look. Okay, what else? What else? uh, just couldn't. I tried to get in around here. That it's just a little bit early as well, but I tried. I just couldn't. So I'm just gonna leave it on the side. It is quite early, and AMC is also coming up to. It's bouncing though. This 35 level holds. There could be something there on AMC, guys. Let's have a look. Whew. Yeah, AMC could be something earlier, but just keep your risk tight if you're gonna take it. 24, 34.95. Yeah, it's early, I know, but I'm gonna try some, guys. 34.95. Because when an AMC moves, stop will be over the VWAP. Wow, look at Lucid. Oh, CEI just moved up. Hold 4 held really nicely. So that's blin 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 blin. So this might be initial. AMC used to really like to do initial chop. So if it's gonna do that, guys, I'll be extremely careful. I'll be very quick on the exit, because I know AMC likes to do that initially. I managed to catch some Lucid as well, guys, on the side. Just under 27, sorry, 26.90s, 87s, I believe. But I'm gonna keep it on the side, guys. I'm not gonna mention it because I did trade it on the side, unfortunately. But I don't like the AMC at the moment, what it's doing. So any break of that 35.11, I'll quickly get out. Maybe look for a re-entry later down the line if it takes that out, because I just don't want to get in that chop. Right. Also keep an eye on DATS. Okay, AMC is looking good, guys. AMC is looking good, finally. Yes, Lucid, yes. Come on, Lucid and AMC. Looking good, both. Really nice. Oh, wow, CEI. Damn, that's bad. There's some heavy short selling coming in on that. CEI is just... So from 440s to under 4s, that's a lot of move down, so... Okay. Go AMC. Come on, break the lows. Break them lows, AMC. Come on, baby. It's bouncing from the lows. Uh, that really strong bounce on AMC is not looking good. I will still respect my original stop, guys. Over 35.11, I'll be out on AMC. Just I'm also trying short CEI under 439. What did I get? 398 around here. So I'm short CEI under 4 with a stop over 410s. Just don't like to I'm out on AMC, guys. I am out on AMC. Early exit. I know it's early, but I just don't like it. A very small small loser. 35 here. 35.02s here. As you can see, it's bouncing strongly now. This is what I meant by early chop in AMC. So I'm not gonna wait for it to break that, um, that VWAP, knowing that it's about to bounce. Well, not knowing, but clearly giving you a sign. As you can see, this bounce from the lows brought in quite a bit of volume. As you can see, that's what scared me. So I've chickened out on it. But Lucid is looking really decent. Really decent. Looking good. Come on, Lucid. Let's go, baby. Right, so CEI, I might exit early, guys. 406, 407s. 407s, I'm out. Because that's bringing quite a lot of volume, guys. Right now. It is. I know that it's quite early. So, right here, actually. Four oh sevens. I'm out. Lucid looking decent. Yes, Lucid. Go, go, go. Come on, baby. Yeah, Lucid is looking really good, guys. My entry, let me have a look. I think I changed it 2670 right here, 70 something. So somewhere here, guys. Lucid. I really wanted to get it here. Quite a few times I tried it, but I had to chase it after this candle somewhere there. So I think 75, 76 is around this area here. So I am quite happy with that. Definitely a chase trade, but on CEI I'll keep an eye on it. These two, CEI and PALT, could be really crowded as well. So and when they start to move, look at this PLT. I missed on that. I was watching it. um, but CEI showing slight bit of weakness under 4. Might re-enter for a short, looking to re-enter. I don't mind giving few losers, very small losers, to get proper moves. I believe that CEI might produce something decent if it does move. So we shall see. There we go, Lucid. Come on, give me something. Yep. Just before 26, I'll take some out, guys, on Lucid LCID. Okay, yep. 2610, give me that. I'll take. Come on. 2611s, okay. 2611, partialed out just before 2610s, guys. Could be a little bit early, to be honest, but hey, that's fine. So Lucid, partialed out here, 2611s. Let's have a look. Partialed here. Right, so what else do we have, guys? Palt is obviously halted, and DATS looks interesting for a short as well. DATS, did I mention that, by the way? I think I did. DATS right now, actually, 1360s. Our stop could be either 1387s or over 14s. It depends on. Oh, okay, looking good. Lucid, loving it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, Lucid. Lucilicious. Let's go. I am planning to take long. Oh shoot, that's a bit too. Okay, I'm taking. Ooh, not yet. This CEI, guys, be careful with it. CEI is about to do something really big. Oh, there it goes. Okay, this is what I meant. So this is getting really like choppy at the moment. So I'm gonna leave it alone for the moment. I've got like a small loser on it, not really that much. I believe. Let me check my price. 399 or 98, I believe here. So yeah, very tiny loser on it. Anybody took DATS, by the way? Anybody took DATS? Sava washing. Keep an eye on Sava, guys. Sava. DATS 1360s. Okay. Did it give you anything? It should have given you something. I'm just waiting on the Lucid to do something more so that I can take my second partial. Just break that low, man. 2580s. Lucid. Come on, Lucid. Break that 25. Yes, there we go. Okay, let's take some out. 2570s. Come on, come on. 72s. Come on, buddy. Go, go. Go, 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 go. Do we have go, go? I was watching go, go yesterday, for sure. Yeah, it's broken that 18. Yes, that's what I was waiting for on go, go. Yep. I'm just gonna wait up on it, see what it does after the pullback to 18s, if it does. By the way, AMC looks like a nice long as well. But see, the daily is not really helping with this. Although, having said that, quite a bit of extension to this downside, guys, on daily. So I really think there could be a little bounce to you on AMC. So so far, Lucid is the only one that we managed to catch really nicely. I caught it very. It was kind of fast. It was really difficult as well to enter because this is what I saw earlier. I did mention Lucid, by the way, over here, right? Right here, I mentioned it as it was popping. So I tried it here quite a few times, didn't work. I think I might have gotten it on this bar. So it was kind of difficult to get in right price because it's so choppy at that time. But the rejection from 27s were very clear. So that should have been the clue that yes, there could be some weakness coming into this. So anybody took Lucid? James, you took it 2-1, is it? Yeah, you know, originally it can be like that. At the open, after the open, it can be like that. But if you pay attention to a little bit of a price action side, if especially if a level is respected quite strongly, then yeah, that's kind of like a clue. Plus, we've got our daily. That looked heavy to me. So I've got a bigger picture behind me. Really wanted to take some out a little bit further down, 70s, something like that, but I couldn't. So I might be stuck with the remainder position on a break even somewhere there. Over the break of VWAP, guys, I'll be out on Lucid over the break of VWAP. There goes AMC. There goes AMC. There's its bounce coming in today, so I guess. So on AMC, for the bounce, we don't have much of a overhead until we get to 38s, guys. 37s at least. So I'll be careful shorting AMC for a while. Wow, big fight coming on the CEI guys. Yeah, I think so. That's already done its move, I think, and that bounce I didn't like. That's exactly the same thing I saw on AMC. I didn't like, so I got out. Now sometimes it could, you see that if it starts to bounce from the lows very quickly like that, then that's kind of, especially at the open. If this did that a bit later on, I'll be a bit okay with it. But since it's right at the open, you have to be extremely careful because that is usually the reversal. So for that, it's a bit later down the line. It's not as strong as AMC's one. Um, that's daily looks good to me, to be honest. These I But still, you gotta worry about this bounce. It's gotta go through this level here, 1380s to 1390s, and it's also been one of the runners as well. Hmm. I feel like I want to short it here, but it's just worried about that bounce there. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it for a while, guys. I'm gonna leave it. I might have missed it, but it's just a little bit choppy, and I just don't like something trading like that. We're talking 1358s to 1340s, so 13 cents, 14 cents slippage spread on a $13 stock. I don't like it. So I'm gonna leave it for a while. Let's see whether it settles down or not. And then Palt is open and it's gone crazy, isn't it, again? Yep, Palt is going crazy again. If you're in it, just keep your stop just over the 1390s. Just if it does start to break that, then you can get out. Because you're already in it. If I was already in it, I wouldn't be like so jumpy on it too much. Depends on where you took the entry as well. Let's have a look at Sava. What is this doing? Rejection of 62s and VWAP is there. Um, just a bit too. I don't like it. Palt is going crazy again. As Palt is a squeezer, guys, on this one, quick entry on these areas, 1350s, could work as well because they do tend to squeeze, but you gotta have that risk management in check properly, though. I mean, this thing can be, look, I mean, the spread is really good for a stock that moves like this. It's not too bad. On CEI, guys, I feel like it's so much going on right here that it's gonna explode either way. So if it starts to break down, I feel like there's a lot of short sellers coming in as it starts to pop over VWAP. And if it starts to leave that VWAP alone, then this could run, but I just need to make sure that it actually chooses a direction before I do that. I took this early trade just in case if it starts to do this. Um, but now I'm just gonna wait up on it. Want to see a proper direction before I actually start considering a trade on it, which could be coming in now. Yeah, it could be this one. Yep, I think it might be this one. Let's just see what happens. That is that's more like it. Okay, we will see. Oh, Lucid, I just wanted to add on that. Lucid wanted to add, just couldn't add. Sorry. I'm just a bit slow today, guys. What's going on? My coffee isn't doing much to me. What is going on? You know, I wanted to add the Lucid here. And the CEI is moving finally. So let's see what happens on this range low of the day. I haven't gotten to that point yet. Maybe I haven't checked. I haven't checked. I'm too busy concentrating on the charts itself. I think we might have just missed it here. That now this is just it. It's just decided the direction. But now it's too late. You want to wait. Maybe it will give us another opportunity to short this now. So I'll keep an eye on CEI. Lucid ad was really nice, by the way. Um, Potential ad. I wish I had it, but this right ad idea over here was very nice. Because I was expecting a little bit of a pullback like this. Ideally, this area here was quite strong level. You see that level holding? Yep. So that area, rejection of that area was gonna add. But I can't complain, guys. I mean, from entry of this to partial here and then potential another partial coming in soon. So and if this low gets taken out, we can always put our stop just over the level 2630. Go-Go, the only thing about Go-Go was the, I think, volume. Ooh, 1780 is holding nicely. Just that 1798, the volume is lacking though. But if it does move, this might. 18s to 1770s, 30 cents stop though. Yeah. I'll keep my stop under 1770s if it does break that. Just in case if you had taken anything here. Just wasn't too happy about the volume, the way it was trading, because for a breakout and then pullback, it's the cleaner the move is, the better it is. So CEI, I might try one more time, guys. CEI for a possible short under 4s. 394s. 393s I've got, guys. 393s. One more short. I'm not going in too much. This is not my full size because I want to leave some room on it, guys, because it does tend to be quite one of those wiki. So as you see this here, that's complete wiki. So for that, being able to hold on to that, I want to make sure that I get out over 410. That's why I'm leaving some room. So going in, not full size on this one for sure, 50%, and then I will add to it once it starts to confirm. So plenty of time if it does that. So I'm going in small. Ooh, I don't like Lucid right now. Lucid isn't behaving. Yeah, Lucid I don't like, not yet. It hasn't really confirmed yet, but there is a potential of a reversal, yes. Or a bigger pullback, but it hasn't confirmed yet. That area, 2620s to 30s, that zone, seems like quite strong. If that holds, then so far it's holding on LCID. I'm just gonna keep an eye on. By the way, Jay, are you watching UPST? There might be a potential short opportunity, but the problem is it's quite spready as well. So I'm watching CEI, guys. If it starts to pop and then starts to drop again, just keep an eye on it. And AMC is completely reversed, so that's not a good sign for AMC. Could give us something. So AMC looks like it's quite weak. I expected this to continue a little bit more. Lucid. Yeah, Lucid now, definitely if it does start to break that out, that level, then I will come out of it. I wouldn't even have to wait for VWAP in this case. So right now, what I'm seeing is if it starts to break that, then that reversal is kind of almost confirmed. It could still be early before the VWAP. Actually not. If it does break that 2630, that's confirmed, isn't it? You can't really trick yourself. It is what it is. It's there. But I'm expecting this area, this zone to hold nicely. If it doesn't, then yeah, we'll decide. Right there. There. Yeah, keep an eye on the CEI is going, guys, so gotta be careful on that. Gotta be extremely careful because that thing could run. I'm out of it, guys. 407s. Yes, I know there was a rejection, but I just, yeah, it's still in that game mode. You see what I mean? Like it's doing that game. it's too crowded. That's the whole thing. I got what did I get? 407s, I think, something like that. Right here. Um, Hopefully Jay was looking at this UPST. I think he's trading it, so hopefully he's taken that short. It's doing really well. 398. Yeah, I think it looks decent for a long, as long as it stays above over 4. That's the whole idea here. It's still a lot of crowd. I feel like it's too crowded right now. There's huge battle between the longs and the. Any pop is getting shorted, any drop is getting bought up. So it's just battle. It's massive battle going on. For me, it doesn't work. Those kind of stocks. I just need stocks to be one di one directional. By the way, Spy looked really nice. Even now, it's starting to move, so this might produce some decent uh, opportunities, I would say, on bigger names. Space is climbing up nicely. Let's have a look at our PLTRs, AMDs. Ooh, AMD is relatively strong today. Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. Right, so Lucid is just bouncing off of this area here, the lows. In this move down now should start to break the lows, and if it does, then we can have some decent partial on this bad boy. Alright, CAI is about to go, guys. It's going for it. What did you, where did you get out? Yeah, I wonder if if it starts to attack the highs, whether it's gonna get rejected badly. PM high. What do you mean PM? Oh, yesterday's high, is it? Oh, I was looking at the 1 minute chart all along. Sorry, 2 minute chart all along on the AMC. All right, gotcha. I think it's picking up now. So this might continue. That's just my observation. Cause see, the thing is, you want to ask yourself, this was looking like it wanted to really go for another, like for a drop, at least for a nice pullback. It didn't. It really got badly bought up. So it's doing a opposite of what you're thinking, or at least what I was thinking, and it's doing it really sharply as well, quickly. So That's telling me I am completely on this short. I'm completely on the wrong side. Now I could be wrong about the longs as well, but so far it looks like the longs are winning, buyers are winning. So Lucid, there we go. Lucid, come on. You're treating me well. Thank you. I'll take you. Right. If you drop, we want a proper drop. Just a bit slow after this break. Usually it should continue on Lucid. What else are we looking at? Oh, SPY. SPY, SPY, SPY. What is the move? 40, 43670s to 43. Yeah, quite a bit of move. Yep. Yeah, I'm late on it, Andrew. Unfortunately, it was here on the EMA fade. That's our setup. EMA fade under 435, 43560s, 50s even. Yeah, there was a short there, but I think I'm late. I'm not gonna chase it. Yeah, definitely. I just looked at it now and I thought, what the hell, man? Did I that bounce? If that bounce, I was watching that, um, then I would have took action somehow, but too late for me. I bet you're short on it, I guess. And the SPY, with the SPY looking like this, it should look good. It should look good. Oh, Apple was beautiful here. Beautiful. Wow. Yeah, this your Apple should look decent. War. Just match it with the SPY. Yeah. Watch SPY on the side. You don't want to be like making decision based off of one candle, but overall, if it starts to, let's say if this breaks, this low breaks, then that will pull Apple with it quite strongly. I think still there was a trade there, definitely. CEI is pulling down, yes. I'm watching it. I just need that direction to be made on it. This could bring in a little bit of a bigger wash. If it doesn't, then it's strong. If this move doesn't bring a wash under 4, that means that's strong. So that if this 4 VWAP area 4, 405s hold for a while, like let's say 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I think might be an early directional change. But not just yet. Not just yet. Now it could, when I say that, it could just pop straight away. That would be just too quick. Because there's so much going on, it's too crowded. It barely happens that way. It will pop, come back, chop around. The only time I think it will be clear moves will be over the highs of 440s. That's when things will start to look cleaner on CEI. Before that, I think it will be still heavily shorted. And then we have 5s to worry about. Yeah, I can go into a bit on that later on, Andrew. You see over here what I mean by on CEI is, you know that if you look at one candle, you're saying to yourself, well, this is gonna go, right? This is going. But you have to understand the CEI is extremely crowded, so these things will you will see them all over the place, because you can't base your decision on just one single candle. You have to look at it from a bigger perspective, like zoom out, and just look at the overall picture and understand that what type of stock it is really. It's not your normal, normal one of those. It's not all I can say. It's not these days. You see the original moves. If you look back in intraday on these moves, it'll be cleaner. But now that you've got so much interest in it, both sides, that's what you will see. Not so many clean moves. Wow, spy reverse big time. That was a quick one. Jessica, did you manage to trade this? I think you were in on it, 31360, something like that. Did you get out of this or? That short we were talking about here, that short should have given you something at least. Yeah, that should have been at least like some green there. That was a big move from 43550s to 43480s, you know. Okay, is CEI moving? And AMC is reversing as well, in my opinion. Um, just that VWAP, but I see this bounce off of this area here with some strength coming in. If this starts to break above VWAP, might have a little bit of continuation, but I think it's already going into a chop, so we'll see. CEI is about to, yeah, this is making its move, so CEI. Okay, AMC, that VWAP is holding nicely. Just watch that area. AMC on that pullback. The only thing with AMC is this daily is very weak. And see, look at this. See what I mean, guys? This is what I mean. Yeah, AMC's already done its move. I just wasn't fast enough, honestly. Yeah, that area here just was too quick. 4560s. Just watching Lucid as well, guys, on the side. AMC is choppy, in my opinion. Um, Even that short wasn't very clear to me. Just a bit choppy on AMC. Yeah, Greece bouncing. Some volume came in, but no, just could be just a little huge spread as well on that. So I don't like it at the moment. Now, if this volume were to be consistent, then it will look much better. But no, I don't think it's gonna be. So just leaving it, guys. Gray, like, sorry, not gray. LCID is just a bit worrying me for the remainder of the. So I might. So on LCID, I'm gonna be a bit careful. If it does start to trade over 2580s, I'll get out for the remainder. Still would be a really good trade on that. So I don't mind. Go is going, is it? Go is going. Go. The daily looked alright on it. Yeah. It's kinda look at that price action though. I mean, even if it does go, like, I just don't like it. Nope. I can go to the moon with that price action. I will still think it's just not right for me. And everything else is being like, look at the spice price action. You know, everything else is like very represented by this. Like, it's quite similar to it. Like AMC. AMC is probably one of the cleaner out there, but still I think it's quite choppy though. Yeah, it's just all over, all over. Come on, Lucid, give me something. Right, I might take some out here, guys, just in case if it doesn't decide to break 2550s. some numbers come in 25.52, so I'll take that 25.54s, 54s. I'll take that. It's okay. So I took some out. So that might have been a good exit there, that one. Lucid is very slow, guys. Just too slow. Again, on the remainder of the shares, I will come out 25.80s break. Look at AMC. This is what I mean, like, look at that. Crazy, huh? I think I'm gonna wait on some decent cleaner moves, guys. I'm just gonna wait up, because right now it's a chop zone. Trying to stay away from these kind of environments. Look at the SPY now. AMC should be a little bit going down. Looking at the SPY. Yeah, that's the rejection there. That's crazy, man. And that's DATS is popping. Is it time for DATS? Palt couldn't do it, CEI couldn't do it. Maybe DATS wants to do it. Okay, what else are we looking at? You guys watching anything else? What did Palt do? So gaps up. Still hasn't given up though. That's the thing with Palt. PLT. Still getting that 12 could be a good level to watch. 12. This might provide some decent opportunities later if it does start to wash off of 12. But I'm watching AMC. Ba, 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 ba. Kind of difficult to say. How did it kick you out? It's still in play. Uh-huh. Oh, right. Come on, Lucid. Go. Guys, I'm interested in AMC short. Under 34.50. 49 is fine. Yep, 49. I got in 49, 39, 34, 49. So shorting here, but the stop will be over 34.80s, guys. There it goes. Alright, finally, I'm thinking finally this is making up its mind. That's what I'm thinking, and the daily looks quite decent, to be honest. So the chance of this moving is there. That's why I took it. Although it looks like uh, a chase, but it actually isn't a chase trade. No, it was quick. It was just a really very quick. I was watching it, but I just didn't really talk out loud my thoughts because there's another setup that I watch which is a bit complicated, and it was really hitting that. Alright, Lucid. I might be careful on that Lucid thing. Lucid, have a look. So stop is going to be on the break of the EMA. And we got that. Right. What's our Lucid doing? I might exit this thing because I think it's done its move. Yes, I think it's quite a move, guys, from for a Lucid 26.70s to 25. More than $1 move for a Lucid is quite good, I think. So actually, I'm gonna take some out instead of taking everything off. I'm gonna leave 10%. Yep, around 61s, 62s, I think. Have to check that. So I took some more out on a Lucid. Don't have much, to be honest, on this one. Only about 10-15% left, and the stop is going to be trailed down to over 25.82. So yeah. Just when I took it, it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop just when I take my. And SPY is doing very similar stuff to AMC, but a bit later. You see what I mean? There it goes. I was looking at SPY and it did that. Shoot. That's yesterday's close as well. So we want this. We want SPY to be trading under this line here, so it could easily pop back up and come back to the congested area. But I think this move down might have a bit of a momentum going down. Let's go, AMC. Let's go. You're gonna do this. You're gonna do this. Yes, you will. Come on. 34.10s. 34.10s. We'll consider taking some, but that's just a bit too close. 34.10s. Yeah, that's a bit too close, guys. I will leave it for a while. I'm just gonna keep dragging my stop just over a EMA break. Okay, PALT might be a good one, guys. PALT. Short under 12. Dangerous though, that's the thing. This one is dangerous. It's not clean move. I'm gonna wait up on a PALT, guys. I'm gonna wait up. Because the thing is, this one is very expensive to short. Let me see if I can short it on my CFT. No, I can't short it. So unfortunately, nope. I'm not shorting it. Go AMC. Go baby. Be my Lucid. .34s. I should take some out around 34s, guys. This is no joke. This ain't no joke. Also, I feel like CEI, although yes, it looks like that, but once it makes up its mind, I think this might give us some cleaner move a bit later on. So it might be worth the wait on that. Like, these moves are clean. Look at these moves. That's clean. That's what I like to see. So I'm waiting for CEI. Honestly, if I were to choose, I really would like some short opportunities on CEI, and I feel like it might be coming. Um, but it will struggle before it actually makes up that mind. Just anytime it's just gonna go wash up, it's gonna get bought up. So I think that box is quite big for us, 440 to 380. Um, that's probably it. That's the box. Yeah, everything seems to be choppy a little bit. One today. I mean, look at the SPY. Look at that. Although there seems to be a trade right now on SPY. Right now actually. Don't go. Don't go. SPY, you son of a gun. I might chase it, guys. 34, 34, 44, something like that. I got, I think, 40, just over 40. Uh, 40. I'll have to check the price, but somewhere there, I'm short SPY with a stop 435s over 435s, guys. SPY over 435 stop, shorting 434 40s over 40s. You have to be extremely careful on these choppy moves. Yeah, these are the days that can really slowly bleed you. Slowly bleed you. On SPY, by the way, guys, it's a quick one. If it doesn't respond to my entry soon enough, I will take out anywhere here as well. I don't mind taking out on break even or a little loser. That's fine. But I need this to be coming down quite, taking out the lows basically very quickly in the next 5 minutes or so. If it doesn't, then my thesis is wrong. That setup is not valid anymore. So it's a quick one. It seems like it's gonna be a quick one, but I'll wait on that 435s. Yeah, choppy more. It just doesn't help at all. Sava and AFRM. AFRM is bouncing a little bit. Yeah, so SPY isn't done. Pretty much what I expected it to, so I'm gonna get out, guys. Just looking at the price action, 67, 64s, 65s. Just about to get out. I'm just watching the price action, guys. I feel like there might be a reversal coming in here. That 70s hold. Yep, that 70 needs to hold. If that holds, that's fine. Otherwise, I'll get out. Watching. 70s, 60s. No, it's not holding, is it? Okay, might be. Might just be. Alright, I still surviving SPY. Still surviving, but I don't think for long. Not for long. I didn't take a lot on this. I can afford to keep it here over 435s, but I just don't like the way it's trading above my entry. Usually, if it's gonna work, it's very close to my entry. Um, if it doesn't, then that's what happens. It's far and far away from my entry, which basically means I haven't timed it well. We'll see. Just another, I said 5 minutes, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th minute, so we'll see. 5th minute, show some sign. Okay, there's a sign there. Alright. Okay, so SPY, if you do break that low, I'll be happy with you. CEI is just a joke at the moment, honestly. It's like washing, popping. It's just a game. Not really happy with the price action on CEI for a trade, but keep an eye on it. As I said, that box, just remember that box. If you can't remember it, draw it. Okay. Bouncing again, SPY. Alright, so on the break of this 43470s, on the break and close above it, I will get out. That's the plan with SPY, but it seems like it wants to take the lows out, which is really good. Come on, SPY, it needs some momentum to the downside. 434s need to get taken out. Boom. Okay, here we go. Let's go, SPY. Come on, don't be shy. There we go. Voila. Lovely. I was just a bit early, guys. I must admit, that's just too early. I should have waited a little bit on that little pullback, but you never know. This could be that move that I expected. Yeah, well done for stopping before revenge trading. Excellent. See you, Jess, tomorrow. Hope it didn't bleed you that bad. That continuation didn't come on SPY, which I don't like, and that is not good. SPY, just remember, still in an inside day of an inside day. So, but my trade was based off of anticipation of this inside day break, and if that broke, then yeah, there was quite a bit of potential. So still there's a possibility, as I said, on the break of 43470, yeah, 70s, I will get out. Okay, AMC and SPY short. Those are the trades I have. AMC, SPY. Yeah, the DAT is taken off, yep. So our AMC is doing nice. There was a re-entry here. And I am trailing this thing. So my stop is getting very close to the break even. Worst case scenario, it might be break even, but at the moment I'm looking at this right there because I'm trailing my stop just over 20. I usually don't do that unless I get my partials. Because today is a bit choppy, I just don't want to leave in a lot of room just in case if there is a reversal coming. So I will just this is on the close of and the close and then the successful break of the 20 EMA. So kind of like a break even. There we go. Let's go AMC and let's go SPY. Okay, that's more like it. Come on. Finally. Something's moving. Bloody SPY. Bloody hell. So this is what I meant. If it stays below that, then that's a directional change. It's confirmed. Then that could lead to a bigger move. So there we go. There we go. Voila. Boom. Just having a decision. I'm waiting on SPY to take some out, guys. I just want to make sure that I'm not taking it prematurely. But this 50 hold is a really good area to take. I know that. But the way it's taken out of it, taken itself out of that range, I feel like it has more momentum to the downside. So I am leaving a little bit of a room for my partial. Now, 43350 is holding right now. I just wanted to come back down and retry that again, see what it does. But my stop could be very, very close to break even now. I have got almost a free runner, almost like a free runner. So not minding that at all. Right. AMC, AMC. Let's go. 3380s. I'm starting to take some out on AMC, guys. 3380s. $33.90s. I took some out, guys. $33.90s. Not a lot, a little bit. $33.90s. Voila. Lovely. Okay, we're cooking now. SPY 100 SMA, you said? 100 SMAs. Yeah, could be. 100 SMAs do bring some bounce for sure on daily, especially. So I have to be a bit careful on that. But let's see on SPY. Yep, 100 SMA. But then again, this looks. Yep. It's got momentum to the downside. So having said that, SPY really likes to V reversal. This is also yesterday's low. Yesterday's low, this one. So now it broke this, and as long as that's holding, there could be actually even. Now I wouldn't say re-entry because the SPY might not have a big range today. But yeah, that's a good thing for my short if that holds though. In fact, 434 is what I needed to hold. Right, guys. Spy. 434. Guys, are you telling me I didn't take anything on a $2 move? 434.50s, 433. No, $1. That's what I thought. And like, is it $2 move that I didn't take? That would be really, really. Hold on. Let me just think. Yeah, $1. Thank goodness. I was like, is that 432.50? And if that was the case, I would beat myself really badly. Like, that's not good. Okay, it's coming back down to that lows. Let's go, spy baby. 48. This time around. This time around. I think are the feds coming in on this on my partial? They're waiting for me, or I'm waiting for them. Bloody hell! Come on, if you're gonna break, stay broken. 433.50s, 60s. Damn you! Shoot! It bounced again really badly. That's not good. Feds came in, guys. Sorry, I think it looks like it's freaking what's his name? Yeah, yeah, definitely. That's holding nicely. SMA. 43350 in itself is a number that to reckon with as well. Oh, come on, spy. It seems like it wants to. I'm afraid of spy's V reversals. That's what I'm afraid of. Otherwise, if it was any other stock, I would be okay. But the fact that spy bloody V reversals all the time, yeah, almost all the time, right? Because these freaking feds come in. As spy drops, they don't let it drop. You know that. Like, there's a lot of we'll see. Anyways, mine, if it does take that 43450, I'll probably be out like a break even from a good decent trade. Uh, if I had waited on this and if that low was taken out, then I would have a really really decent partial. So it's kind of like a two-edged sword waiting on it. And on this one, I wanted to take it out, but it was so quick that I just didn't want to take out here, right? I always like to take out on the washes, right at the ends here. So we shall see. I think SPY is waiting for me to take some out here. If I do, then it's gonna drop. And if I don't, it's gonna start creeping back up, make me take more out here. That will be really bad. If I start taking partial here, that will just go against my whole RR thing. See, trading is easy, they said. It's gonna be fun, they said. Your long SPY. Oh, you're about to for the reversal. Okay. In my opinion, SPY does, yes, V reversals, but I would still say that's not my style. I just can't rely on 100 SMA or for one number, especially for a reversal of this move. Like we're talking, first of all, you need to look at the daily, right? Right. We've got this pullback and then another move, potential move. Now, if SPY were to bounce from this, because I was expecting a little bit of a bounce on this, it didn't. Really kept going down, kept fading off. So that's kind of sign for SPY to be a bit weak. So for you to take a reversal on a weak stock, it has to do something really strong, and it hasn't done it yet. It's just 100 SMA on a daily. Just yeah. So ah, sorry, I didn't see. You were joking, weren't you? I'm a bit slow today, guys. Don't blame me. I did mention this earlier. I am slow. Uh, yes, yeah. I would have shorted. I should have shorted it here, right? For 3 4s. Maybe I will. Let me just take this. You see that volume? Volume lifting slowly, slowly. And my AMC isn't doing that great either. However, my LCID is looking really, really nice. That LCID tricked me to take this here, and that was not nice of LCID. This I should not have taken out. I do that once in a while, just a moment of weakness thing, I think. But I'm just gonna let it run. So anytime it starts to close above EMA, like this, if it starts to close above EMA and starts to trade above it, I'll come out. I wouldn't rely on one bar though, especially for a runner. Right, guys, on AMC, I might come out on the break of this here. So my stop is on the break of 34 25s, 34 25s. And on SPY as well, I might exit here on the break of that 434 40s. Ideally, that my break even point here, just over the break even point, because of yesterday's close. So we'll see. We'll see where that takes us. AFRM is popping, by the way. AFRM. Paps. Paps, paps. I'm out of AMC. AMC, I'm out. Just a small green. Still a good green on AMC. Not too bad. AMC, boom, boom, boom. That's that. And that just didn't have that much of a follow through. It might come. It might pull back to, let's say, 3460s and 80s VWAP. Watch VWAP on AMC if it does pull back. That could be an area where it might start to fade off again, because the daily is quite weak. Yep. What's up? What's up? Guys, if you can just let me know if you're watching this. These stocks, HCTI, these ones here, these are today's IPOs. If they do come alive, just let me know. These 4 stocks. Yo, 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 SPY, take it easy. Stop climbing. The hell is wrong with you, SPY? So I am still in SPY. Just gonna wait for that 43450 to break. I've taken AMC out with an okay green. Really nice entry. 2 partials done, and then I am still in Lucid, I believe, but that's remaining. This is a runner basically. I'm just trailing the kind of like a swing highs over the EMA. Really decent exits. Look at this. Look at this trade, guys. I mean, if I take it now, I pretty much caught the whole move. This is a trade, right? Like, we're talking 2680s, 75s, whatever it is, and then all the way to right now is trading at the lows almost. That's crazy, guys. That's just that's silly, right? So for my style, all I need is 1 or 2, not even 2, 1 trade like this. That's it. Really, I don't need more. And I could have like 3, 4 losers back to back. Still, this will beat that. See the power of multiple R's? This is exactly what I mean. So guys, I'm gonna take this out completely. 25, 20s, 23s is fine. Just take that out. So I'm out fully on this, guys. Fully out. What is this duplicate drawing? 25, 23 I got. So this one really nice R. We are looking at something like this. Boom. That was the trade with the risk. So that was the risk, and then this is the reward because of this move here. Something like this. My reward is something like that, guys. I'm okay with it. No worries. That's probably, what do you think, guys? 4 or 5? 4 or 5 hours? What do you think? Probably 4 or 5 hours, guys. In between that. That's it. Yeah, 4.5 hours, something like that. You're probably very, very close to it actually. 4.5 maybe. This if it wasn't for this, right? This little, I don't know why I took it, guys. Because at that point, yes, it was. Usually I don't take it like that. I will take it here or there or here, not at the highs. Just sometimes, you can't. I'm out of SPY, by the way, guys. SPY out, break even, SPY out. So um, if it wasn't for this, I would have taken one out, this out here, and then the rest maybe let it run or whatever, or take everything off here. That way I would have gotten very close to 5, maybe even more than 5 hour. So 4.5 hour is fine, still on it, can't complain, right? Boom. So happy with that. So Lucid from, if you look at the daily, I've got the whole of the move, well, at least for now, the whole move. Pretty much, I would say 90% of the move I caught. So really, really happy with that. Probably the trade of the week, or maybe trade of the day. Still early. So 4.5 are on Lucid. Let's do the trade recap. SPY, by the way. This is a little bit of a mismanagement from my side. Because, right, just over. I was a bit greedy on SPY. I'm not gonna deny it. But with SPY, I had the break of this would have been 434, 435s, right? Right. So that's more than 50, 60 cents. 60 cents stop, original stop, right? And then usually I start taking off after 2 hour. After 2 hours. This wasn't 2 hour. Like, it was very, very close to it. Yes, you can't be really rigid on that. That's not my excuse for not taking. I was just a little bit greedy because I was waiting for it to break that. If that broke, the chances of this washing for another 20, 30 cents was easily achievable. So that would have given me a really, really good R. But it's just worth the risk, guys. I gave back on all this $1 move, not taking partial. Even if I had taken partial here, that probably would have been 30%, around 25-30%, and then the rest will be break even. That would have been still less than 1 hour. So I'm happy with that management. Still, it could have been better. So I will say break even, maybe a bit red on it, but I'll call it break even. Break even, but on the red side. So SPY break even. What else did we have? AMC slight winner. AMC was this one was very, very like small loser. I would say for under 34, 35 was the entry, and then break of 35 was the exit, because I just didn't like that reversal coming in. And we'll talk about that, Andrew, in a minute. Actually, this is a good one to talk about. I exited very quickly, so that's minus 5 cents, something like that, maybe more than that. Just really, really little, because our original stop was on the close somewhere here. I would have gotten out here. So that's minus 0.2 R, minus 0.3 R, something like that. However, this one gave us at least, our original stop was over here, 34.80s. So 1 hour. So let's say total on the AMC 1 hour plus 1 hour. Seems like that's the case. Yep. Yes, sir. So plus 1 hour on AMC total, and then we had this CEI. few tries on CER, and we are talking under 4 entry with 407s, so 7 cents. No, I'm wrong. 10 cents on the first, and then the second one. This one is not even close to this position. The initial position was bigger than this. This was basically after realizing it's in a chop. I put on 50%. That's like really small loser, this one. If I were to lose on 1 hour on this one, it would be here. 1 hour would be here. So 0.5 hour, and this one probably also 0.8 maybe. By the way, it's moving. So I just calculating in my head because I don't have P&L. I hate you looking at my P&L. I'm really tempted to, but no. I think minus 1.5 hour on this. I might be really sort of over exaggerating this. It might be 1 hour, to be honest. But 1.5 hour, I'm okay with that. Those two trades. What else? I had let me check. Yeah, I just don't. I used to look at my P&L every second, Andrew, every second, which was messing up with my trading. Really bad way to go on about it. But it's something that you can't avoid in the beginning. It's very hard to. But once you gotta train your mind, like every single day, resist. At one point, it becomes like a habit. By the way, AFRM is breaking that. It's a really nice breakout coming in. Volume should be coming in now, if it's a successful breakout. And look at that that daily though. A bounce is due on it, so that's really good, solid. You don't want to know where you are with the money. Well, you should have an idea with in your head. There should be an average of what you're up or down, right? But you should not have like number. You shouldn't see a number there. That's the problem. Because every single trade is being affected by that number. That's what you want to avoid. So that's pretty much it, I think, for the trades that I took. I remember took so for the day it looks like it's gonna be 1.5 on that, 3. So total 3R. I think looks a bit more than that, but plus 3R for the day, thanks to Lucid. And if I had managed SPY well, probably would have been more than that, but that's fine. It's one of those things. You can't win them all. So plus 3R for the day. That's the result for the day. I think I might be done after this, guys, unless we're looking at CEI. If this starts to make up its mind, see what I mean? Like that box is still active, and it's just boom boom in and out, bouncing. So just gonna wait on that. 380s should be broken and starts trading under it. So if you get a close under 380s, that might be the sign for a possible directional change on this. Oh, you went. You reversed when I took a short. You longed it, didn't you? Oh, Andrew. Wow, okay. That's impressive. Well done, Andrew. I like that. I like that actually. That result is really good. Oh, you got chopped out, James. You got in that initial chop. Okay, I see what you mean. Yes, yes, yes. Right here. It looks not much, but in the beginning, yes, that was the problem. That's why I avoided this one. I think my entry was on this one, if I'm not wrong. It probably is on this one. Uh, that one, I didn't. I was watching it, and once that rejected from 27, that's when I got serious actually. Before I wasn't really serious because of this, and that rejection confirmed that that's just initial chop. That 27 level was really really strong. Yeah, and then it just kept on going lower and lower and lower. That was the sign. Oh, okay. Ah, right, right. Okay, that's what I was wondering. I thought you said 2R on Lucid. You did a quick exit, didn't you? Somewhere on this wash or that first partial, I think you took out very quickly. Yeah, I remember you saying 2R on it, but the rest obviously messed you up. Rest, rest almost messed me up as well. Like for example, CEI, right? Would have been a bad revenge trades on this. So these two, I just left it at that point. This one also was, I think, if you look at hindsight, it's not a good trade. But at that point, we were looking at this. You can't blame me because look at that. At that point, look, it seemed like this is what is it's already decided that direction. It looked like it. The momentum was there, so that's when I decided to actually that four is gonna hold. That level is gonna hold, which it didn't. So I stand by my two trades, but the good thing I did was I didn't really chase it after that, especially on the longs. I really was tempted to take long, but looking at this, saying to myself, listen, this thing is too crowded. Be careful. Be careful. So that worked out for me really nicely. I probably would have been down on it, like if I had taken long or shorts here, probably 3 hours, maybe more than that. So that's a really, really like one of the important things about success in trading is also a trades that you don't take is what makes you. It's actually the trades that you avoid that makes you quite consistent in your results. If you're able to, oh, by the way, DATS looks really decent. DACTS for a short, it might go without me. Maybe 1379s, 14s. Uh, Freaking hell, man. I had to chase it, guys. I got like 71s. Not happy with the price, honestly, but I am okay with that. 1371s. I hit that. I managed to get it. Um, I really still I think it's okay. The stop is over 14s. Still is okay. I think even because this thing can run. When it does run, it runs. Because daily is there behind it. You see that heavy rejection of 18s, and the range is there as well once it starts to move. But today's range hasn't been that much. But I'm thinking if this is the real direction, it actually will start to break that range. So I'm happy with that. Really decent looking setup. Yeah, really decent looking setup, guys. Oh, dude, avoid that. Avoid that. The thing is, if you're doing that, uh, initially you're trading to basically get that screen time, right? In this case, you're not actually learning. You're not getting that screen time. You're just doing that P&L thing so that you can make some money. That is a bit of a difficult situation. Just don't get used to it, mate. Yeah, okay, in that case, yeah, that's fine. I was thinking about maybe. All right, let's go. That's DATS. Anybody took this, by the way? You had the chance to take it here. DATS. By the way, CEI looking interesting. That 380 is finally broke and staying above. Sorry, below. Snap. Let's have a look at Snap. Snapalicious. Ooh, right, okay. Bouncing up. Looks interesting, but it hasn't really broken quite a bit. It's just still in that zone there. I really like it to break a little bit higher and then come back. But what you can do is you can just try and wait for that curl back above that 74 for your entry or staying in it. Okay, CEI finally broke, right? Yeah, I think War is talking about longs. And SPY is coming back down again. This might be the real move on SPY, guys. And obviously it's gonna take me out and then do this, right? That's just the way it works. Alright, DATS is a bit slow. I really wanted this to move a bit faster than this. DATS stop is over 14s. Nobody took DATS? Nobody? Yeah, CEI is dropping. I think it's made up its mind now. Oh, right, okay. Gotcha. Alright, guys, keep an eye on CEI. This might provide us with some opportunities. CEI. Just don't like the way that is moving. I don't like this price action. Ooh, there was a chance to take some out though. Right, let's watch CEI. I will manage that on the side because nobody took it anyways. So I will watch it on the side. Alright guys, CEI, if it pops to 380s, I will start. I'll start shorting it here at 380s, and then the cutoff point will be over 390s. you know, if you want to be really safe over the break of 390, but want it to go back at least to 378s, right? Okay, so it's trying to pop above that. It might give us something here. Just keeping an eye on that. 370s. Right, come on, pop, pop. Do 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 do. So come on, 371s. All right, I'm starting here, guys. 370s, 370s. Show the 370s. I'm giving 20 cents, although it shouldn't be 20 cents. It should be over 380. But I'm just giving it enough room so that just in case if it starts to. Yeah, it's going well. Plus 3R, I believe. Plus 3R, and this is looking good as well. So if this gives us something, we'll have a good trade on it. CEI short 370s, and I had a decent trade, just decent trade on Lucid. Caught the whole move, so not bad. 4.5R on Lucid, pretty much it. And some AMC moves, but not really great here. A very small break even in the beginning, and then uh, just a little bit of green here. Yeah, it hasn't been bad. It's been good. Usually my Thursdays are good. I'm happy with 3R plus 3R. Yeah, it looks good. Really nice. I'm happy with that. But the one that really got me, I know I'm not I'm not red on it. I'm break even. Look at this. So traded it here, SPY 434 40s, and then stop was 435 or 435s. So because I had 60 cents stop, I just couldn't take out anything because I usually wait for that 2R. When 2R hits, and I gotta admit I was a bit greedy on it as well. I was waiting for this to break. I just couldn't take it out here. And then I just didn't want to be the person who takes out the partial on the way up. I usually do it on the way down when I'm shorting. Um, so I just left it, and it took me out on break even, and now there you go. This is exactly what the move I was expecting, and in fact it looked like that move, right? This just came out of nowhere, to be honest. So yeah, this could have been a really decent trade if this followed through. Because of the daily as well. Daily was quite looking weak. So yeah. You have to remember what SPY is doing. Or Snap is one of those that's gonna at least respect SPY's move, right? So just keep in mind. I think when you were trading here, I forgot to mention it. It was just about to curl back down. There it goes. This is the move. The move is coming in on SPY now. It's too late. It's too late on SPY. I might add on 370s. I'm adding on CEI. CEI. I'm adding right here 370. What? Is that real? That can't be real. No, it's not real. That's just the platform. 370s, guys. I've added again. Same price, by the way. And then on the break of 380, I will get out. On the break of 380s. Let's have a look at Snap. Snap B. Yeah, Snap took you out here, didn't it? But any longs, very difficult now. Yeah, any longs, because when SPY moves slightly bigger than normal, it starts to drag its anything with it. Like AFRM. Usually, you know, it's quite decent looking on daily, but it's dragged it down. Like Sava. Have a look at Sava. It's dragged it down. Quite a few things that you see will be dragged down by SPY. Oh, I'm still short, by the way. I don't like what it's doing. I'm just gonna be careful. 14 break, I'll be out. Just that move wasn't strong enough for me. Not really. No. For small caps, I don't really care what SPY does, unless there's a panic move on SPY. I mean by panic is days like when Apple hit that lawsuit. I'll show you. So days like these, this was the day that it could bring. It won't really affect it as much, but it could slightly on these big days, big red days. Uh, Usually it doesn't, and I don't really sort of watch SPY when I'm trading small or low floats, small caps. Like for CEI, right? CEI is just gonna do its thing, right? Like SPY is going down, this is going up now. So they don't care, really. AFRM might produce a nice little decent short as well, guys. It's the way SPY is moving, but SPY is already extended enough, so expect a little bit of a bounce on SPY. 17s. I've got plenty of trades at the moment, so I'm not taking it, but there could be a potential. I've got DATS short here with a stop over 14s. Yep. And then I've got CEI. This is just struggling here right now on my entry, basically. On AFRM, 116 is a strong level. Could be. Not not that strong. Not really. Um, Doubt that 116 is a very strong level. Nope. It's not as strong as let's say 115. 115 I will say definitely. That zone, yeah, very strong. But 116 is in the middle of kind of nowhere. Yeah, that's the thing with AFRM. Okay, CEI is about to go. I feel like I want to add here, guys. CEI 367s. Come on, curl down. About to go. Come on, CEI, give up. Crazy on AMC. What are we seeing at? What the what is that? What is that? That's gotta be a fat finger, right, Jay? If not, something's up. Misprint. I don't think it's misprint, because every platform is showing that, so yeah. I think it might have been just a fat finger. If it was a fat finger, then the volume should have creeped up. I'm just not seeing much of a volume on that. It could be that 1 second thing. Yeah, it could be fat finger. Yeah, might have been as well. You'll see. I wasn't paying attention on the order book or tape. Yeah, just that volume is not really confirming this. If there was a fat finger. Are you done, Jay? So you've got CEI short, right? What else have you got? Right, I'm gonna be out of that. I don't like it, guys. Almost break even. That's I'm out. Don't care. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. AMC. I was short on it earlier, but just that trailing stop got stopped out for some profit. But yeah, that reversal of the VWAP, I just wasn't there. That was a good place to short it. If you had shorted there, well done. And Gree basically is doing is really looking good, really looking good. Yeah, just over here was very liquid, but yeah, it's just one of those drifters. Well done, Jay. See, I know you, even though we don't. Jay doesn't join up too much, but I know how he. Now that was really good entry. I would have taken that. I just was busy with other things. By the way, 117 short on AFRM, Might just work out. Did I mention that I got out of the ATS for a break even? Yeah, I'm out of break even. Just don't like it. Nope. The one that I'm in is CEI, and it's if it starts to curl back up, I want to give it time because since it's broken the opening range, 15 minutes and half an hour, I think. I just want to give it a little bit more time over 380s. If it starts to trade over it, then I'll come out. But it could have a potential. Yeah, so it's bouncing over 20 EMA now. Let's see if it's that bounce continues. Since volume is coming in as well on this bounce, I'm just a bit careful on it. Volume coming in. Four or three. Just waiting up on it. So I'm looking to probably exit just over this 86, guys, if it does take out. I might even do it before because it's bringing in some volume. It might be getting into that chop again. So just can't take that too much risk on it. 382, 81s. Right, just watching the tape. Just getting back to that crowded thing again. 383 is alright. I'm just gonna be out on this, guys. 383s, I believe. Right here. So I'm out on this. What is it? And that will be it. 383s. Yep. So not much really. 10 cents. 10 cents loser is fine. That's 1 hour for sure because of the ad. I was really initially thinking of leaving some room on it because it's been chopping around a lot, and as long as that 4 was holding under, I would be okay with that short. But this break of the opening range, this was my original plan, that this already decided the direction, and that was the original thesis behind it. Now if that doesn't exist anymore, then I would rather get out and then maybe even try again later, um, if it does produce anything. But I doubt that I'm going to be coming back to trade it more. So today on CEI it got me, so 2.5 at least. 2.5 on this bad boy. That's fine. I'm okay with that still. I am green for the day. That 3R goes down to bloody 2R. Right? Still, green is green, guys. I'm okay with that. Right. That's pretty much it, guys. I think I might have overtraded today. Look at SPY, guys. Just freaking SPY. It knocks me out on break even and then just does that. Right. So if that is all, I might come back for some trading later down, like PM, because I have been having some success, some PM trading. So power hour, last hour, I might come back to it, but I won't stream it, obviously. So I will see you guys tomorrow, 9:15 EST. Until then, take it easy. And before I go, guys, any questions or anything like that? If not, then I'm off. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Take it easy. See ya.